Namaste everyone, this is Guru Dharam, and in this video we will learn Revolved Mountain posture, Parivita Parvatasana. Parivita is a Sanskrit name, it means revolved, and Parvata is a Sanskrit name, it means mountain. So Parivita Parvatasana might be you know this posture name as wild thing. The wild thing is different, but mountain is different. So this is the posture we're going to learn. This is Revolved Mountain. So let's begin. We begin this posture from the mountain. So lift your right leg up, open your hip, bend your knees, extend your knees, and now back to your hip square. Bend your knees and twist your hip. Slowly step down, hands up. Try to bring your pelvic up maximum and take your hands over your chest and try to touch the floor if you can. If not, then no problem. Then slowly come back. So once we come back, we back to the mountain first, and now we begin our practice from the next leg. So bring your left leg up. First open your hip and then back to the center. Hip square, bend your knees and twist your hip, and now you step down and the hands up. So stretch your arms, try to touch the floor if you can. If not, then no problem. Then slowly come back to the mountain pose. So make sure whenever you feel tired, please feel free to take a rest anytime in the child posture. So this is the Parivita Parvatasana. So we call in English Revolved Mountain posture. So if you are very new in the yoga and you want to learn every single thing, please feel free to let me know. So I will try to make a special videos for all of my viewers. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon and share with this video with your people, with your friends, so everybody can get the same knowledge and very effective education. So we will practice everything step by step, and then if you want to learn wild thing, please let me know by comment. So I will make a video for you to share the authentic Hatha Yoga knowledge with everyone. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please feel free to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and share with everyone. Namaste.